Welcome to the second part of the Excel table. In the short video, you will get to know about inserting new rows, structured references, and slicer. Want to add more data to your table? Just click on the last cell in the table and hit the tab button. Yes, a new row appears. It's like giving your table room to grow. Let's turn off the total row. You can also click on the cell just below the table. Type compatible data and press enter. It automatically inserts a new row with the formatting. The same goes for a new column at the right. Let's see it. Apply all border to the new column. There's another advantage of using table. You can always see the column headers if you scroll down. If you click outside the table, they will disappear. You don't have to autofill the formula down through the columns. Excel will automatically do that. Let me show an example. Enter the formula to find the first ratio equal to F5 divided by E5. Press enter and the rest will be autofilled. If you feel cell references make your formula hard to read, then you are not alone. Excel tables can help you out. You can use structured referencing with tables. The idea is quite simple. I'll calculate the same ratio with a structured reference now. First, delete the results, place an equal sign, select cell F5 which shows the corresponding column name. Divide by the cell's amount. Instead of using cell references, you can easily work with the column headers here. Let's learn to use slicers in Excel table. Slicers are like buttons that let you filter your data in a snap. To demonstrate the purpose of slicers, go to the Table Design tab. In the Tools section, click on Insert Slicer icon. I'll insert this based on the salesperson column. Select it and click OK. The unique salesperson names will be available here. Select any of them and only that person's data will be shown. Also, you can turn on the multi-select option. The keyboard shortcut for this is Alt-S. Now you can show data for multiple persons at once. Clearing the filter at once is possible. Just click on this Clear Filter icon or press Alt-C. In the Slicer Contextual tab, you can change the slicer name, styles, button orientation, and the size of the filter. To delete the slicer, just select it and press the Delete button on the keyboard. Time for a quick pop quiz. Create a simple table with your favorite hobby categories and durations. Now, challenge yourself to insert a new row for a hobby that you haven't added yet. Use a structured reference to calculate the average duration of all your hobbies. That's it for this video. Bye!